This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Located on the number 17 fairway of Ponce de Leon Golf Course, this charming home has lots to offer. With a renovated kitchen and an opened-up dining area, you can enjoy cooking or eating while watching the golfers. Kick your feet up by the fireplace after a long day, or sit on the bench of the doorless shower in the master bathroom. If you love gardening, there's room to grow or just keep things low maintenance. Plus lots and lots of storage. Nearly all furnishings are negotiable, so come see this home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.